Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to teach you about entrepreneur. Who is entrepreneur? In a normal language, we call him businessman or the one who starts the business. But in economics, the definition of entrepreneur is the place where business is going on is known as enterprise, and the task of bearing risk is called enterprise, and the person who bears the risk of business is called an entrepreneur. This is the one definition. Means what is an enterprise? Where production is going on and the risk is borne by the people. Like if there is a loss, producer bears the risk loss. So that is enterprise, and the person who bears the risk of the business is called an entrepreneur. And another definition which is given in your book is entrepreneur is the one who organizes production, manages a business, takes important decisions regarding production, hires the factors of production, and bears the risk and uncertainty involved in the production. So, who is entrepreneur? The one who organizes the production, he starts the business, manages a business, look after the business, takes important decisions regarding business, and also hire FOPs, hire all the factors of production, and the major and the important part is bears the risk and uncertainty involved in the production. Children, entrepreneur is the one who bears the risk or bears the risk of the business. If there is a loss in an firm or in an industry, only the entrepreneur who bears the risk loss. All other FOP will get their salary, will get their remuneration as usual. Workers get their wages and salary, land get the rent, capital ko we have to pay the interest, but entrepreneur is the only one who bears the risk of the business. Now by this we can come to the following characteristics of an entrepreneur. The first one is that entrepreneur is the one who hired the FOPs or employed the FOPs. Second, all other FOPs are getting a regular income, but the income of entrepreneur is residual in nature. Means when there is a profit, the entrepreneur or the businessman gives salary to their workers, pays rent and everything, and then after the leftover part he keep for himself. That's why his income is known as residual in nature, leftover. Then all other factors of productions are contractual. That's why their rewards or their remunerations are always positive, but the remuneration of entrepreneur can be negative also and zero also. And the unique feature of entrepreneur that he bears the risk of the business.